Are your customer support agents struggling to manage support requests from multiple channels? Is your current customer support software confusing and costing you thousands of dollars a month? If only there was a single platform that provided all the features and customization required to effectively manage your customer support operations at an affordable price. Well, there is, and it's called ngDesk. ngDesk is a completely free cloud-based integrated business management tool that offers a wide range of functional features to help you streamline your customer support operations, including email support, live chat, phone, social media, knowledge base, and automations. ngDesk makes it easy to manage all your incoming support emails by converting them into tickets and funneling them into a centralized inbox, where your agents can easily track, prioritize, and respond to tickets. They can define a ticket's priority, assign it to a specific agent or team, and set a due date. Agents can easily collaborate on complex issues using private messages, or quickly respond to common questions using a pre-made response. You can add the ngDesk chat widget to your website or mobile app. Your agents can effortlessly engage with customers in real time, answer questions on the spot, and solve problems faster right from ngDesk. Information like who your visitors are, their navigation path, and pages visited on your site will help your agents provide more personalized support. And if your agents aren't available, customers can still reach out via chat, and their message will come in as a ticket that you can respond to later. Or let your customers help themselves with ngDesk's completely customizable knowledge base feature. You can customize the structure of your knowledge base and add unlimited sections, categories, and articles in 11 different languages. With answers readily available in your knowledge base, your customers can solve problems themselves, reducing the number of tickets you have to answer. Finally, by using escalations and triggers, you can automate routine tasks in your help desk. ngDesk enables you to define escalation policies to automatically escalate tickets at different time intervals, to specify teams and/or agents to ensure that tickets reach the right person at the right time. You can also set up triggers to automatically assign tickets, make a phone call, send an email, send an SMS message, start or stop an escalation, or update a ticket field. ngDesk is the only completely free integrated business management tool that simplifies, centralizes, and automates your customer support operations. With ngDesk, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for ngDesk today.